You know what? I had enough of this stupid dog Lemon. I just threw that shit anyway. Me, I always close the door. I think it was Alec did not close the door. Okay, you should not blame me. Okay, it is not my fault. I just closed the door recently because of the dog Lemon. Okay, let's move on about the topic. I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Cruz. Can you just stop posting lots of nonsense in Instagram and Thread? I saw your YouTube video full of video games. And you saying bad words in video games. Yeah, of course, I never say bad words too. I always say bad words too, but I never say bad words in Instagram Threads. But no, Mark Cruz, I say to you, with all due respect, can you just stop? Can you just delete the post about who you just posted anyway in Instagram? Anyway, in Threads against Sara Duterte and Rodrigo Duterte, even his children, even Baste and Paulo Duterte. Because Shania Kiana is a witness, and she saw those Instagram posts or threads came back from Mark Domingo Cruz. Shania Kiana told me you need to delete it. Can you please, Mark Cruz, delete all the posts in Instagram and Threads? You don't know what you're posting it, and you don't know what you're talking about. Of course, people will get angry at you, Mark Cruz. I'm just saying, you need to delete it. Mark Cruz, do not post about any nonsense in Instagram. People there, they will angry at you. Do you know, like, for example, I was told by Shania Kiana and even Teacher May Tiburcio, think before you click, in social media. You didn't listen. Do not post about nonsense. For me, I never post lots of nonsense. Even I don't want to post nonsense. Mark Cruz, can you just stop posting about nonsense in Instagram and Threads? Stop posting about against Sara Duterte, Baste Duterte, Paulo Duterte. Don't you even know, Mark Cruz, that Baste Duterte, his height was same as Calvin Cuevas, the husband of Teacher Jessa. He's big. He didn't challenge with Nicolas Torre that he wear eyeglasses because he was there in Singapore. Can you want to defeat him, Mark Cruz, Baste Duterte? Mark Cruz, hindi mo ka kasi kaya iba si Baste Duterte. Malaking tao yan, like I said. Mark Cruz, if I were you, when I was told by J. Rick Silva, when I was told by Kuya Park official, tigilan mo na kasi pagpo-post. ng kung ano-anong nonsense. Even against the Duterte family, that's nonsense, Mark Cruz. Please, Mark Cruz, stop involving the Duterte children. Stop involving Alan Peter Cayetano, even Rodante Marcoleta. Can you just stop posting about political, Mark Cruz? You know, for me, I always put you in the enemy list, Mark Cruz. If I were you, if you're watching this, Nigel Ernesto de Veria, and even Jed Dizon, and also Roylan Marlang, if you're watching this, can you just tell that imbecile Mark Cruz, stop posting lots of nonsense. You know, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, you remember him, Mark Cruz? Can you bash Danmar? You're the one who did it in 2019. First of all, you brainwash Wawel, and you're the one who tell to Ronald Rebena to frame me up that I hack his Facebook account. What is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? You're the one who brainwash David Gill to hack Facebook account of his Facebook account to attack Cedric Mariano. That is your fault, Mark Cruz. You know, Mark Cruz, you're the one whose responsibility. Because me, I never tell that to Mr. Dennis Gill. That was his father. I say again to Mr. Dennis Gill, who created the Dragon Inclusion Philippines. It wasn't David Gill. The responsible who create Dragon Inclusion Philippines, it was Mark Cruz. It wasn't David Gill. It wasn't Danmar Dayaw. It wasn't Cedric. It was you. It was totally you, Mark Cruz. All this chaos, it is your fault. Do not blame anyone. If I were you, Mark Cruz, do not blame anyone. For what you did to JD Sagala, for what you did to Eliza De La Cruz, this is your fault. Do not blame anyone, Mark Cruz. You know, Mark Cruz, you might get sued of cyber libel. Don't you ever know, Mark Cruz? You don't know about cyber libel. And you call me I'm a terrorist, Mark Cruz? You call me Vladimir Makarov mastermind? You're the one who started this, Mark Cruz, in pandemic 2019. You're the one who insulted Nguyen Pongkan. I was told by Nguyen Pongkan, the Miss Earth 2018, she said to me, why does Mark Cruz is saying about insult words? This guy, he has no manners. Does he even know he never do anything kind of manners? when he say bad words, he says about nonsense. You know, Mark Cruz, if I were you, this is your fault. Do not blame anyone. Just like I said before, oh, you know, Mark Cruz, you're the one who curses the birthday of Jerick Silva. Oh, and you call him, what do you call to Jerick in Instagram? Did you call him a F word? Did you curse him an F word? What is called fuck you words at Jerick Silva and his birthday? And then I said, why was Mark Cruz saying bad words? Because Jerick said to me, bakit ka nagmumura, Mark Cruz? If I just want to tell you something, you are a bully. Let's say about this, Mark Cruz. Let's have a psychological test. Let's have a psychiatrist test. And who is the real bully? Hey, you're the one who's a bully, Mark Cruz. Oh, do you even know I talked with Jerick Silva that my mom had reported to Teacher May that Mark Cruz is saying about nonsense in Instagram threads. Oh, and if I want to tell to Teacher May or Tiburcio, if you're in hospital, oh, tell your nephew Rafael, block Mark Cruz in Instagram. Of course, Rafael Tiburcio has an Instagram, even Isabella, her niece, oh. Just block that son of a bitch, Mark Cruz. You do not know what he's talking about. He's posting nonsense. Oh, you know, my Malaysian friends have told me, Mark Cruz is posting about Israel, Zionist, and even I was told by Kuya Park official. He said to me that the DDS supporters, he's posting about against Duterte. Oh, even Mark Cruz is posting against Palestinians. My Malaysian and Indonesian friends have told me that Mark Cruz is posting against the Palestinians, and he's really a pro-Israel. And even Mark Cruz is posting about against the Duterte. And I was told by Kuya Park official, Kuya Park said to me, yang si Mark Cruz talaga hindi siya natitino. Nag-post pa siya ng against kay Duterte. Oh. Now you see, Mark Cruz, you will be mobbed by Duterte supporters. If Dan Mardayao knows the address in your house, Mark Cruz, he will tell the Duterte supporters, mob the house of Mark Cruz. And the Duterte supporters will beaten Mark Cruz. Remember that. This is your consequence, Mark Cruz, for what you did to Juan Carlo Pabale, for what you did to Ryan Chris Lucero, for what you did to anyone. That is your fault.